What's up guys, welcome to my new video about Audi, or at least a part of it, about Audi key. This will be a short one, so let's dig in right away. If your car is showing you this message, that means it's time to replace the key fob battery. So this is a key of Audi S5 2017, and all the other models from 2017 till 2020 have the similar looking key. The process is the same. So first thing you need to do is remove the mechanical part of key from the remote. To do so, you must press this and this black button. You do it simultaneously, so press and hold it with both fingers and just take it apart. Next thing, I don't know if you can see it right on camera, but again, those two black buttons, press and hold them once again, and you need to take out the plastic part. It usually gets very stuck, so try to rock it side to side and pull it while you hold the buttons. There we go. And this is your car battery. So when you're gonna buy a new one, you need a 3-volt flat battery, and you can either have CR2025. I don't know if you can see it right. I'll try to focus it a bit. Yeah, maybe like the CR2025, or I got another one. It's same 3-volt battery, CR2032. So what's the difference? The difference is the CR2032 is just a little bit thicker, and it has more capacity. That means it will last longer. So I decided to go with this one. So let's just put it back in. To do so, just pay attention. Here it says it's a little plus sign over there, and you have a plus sign on, let's say, top of the battery. So you must place it this side up. Then after it, again, while putting the plastic part along with the battery in, you must press and hold two buttons once again. Slowly push it in, and then in the end you'll hear a click like this. And the last part is you just reinsert the mechanical part of key, and that's it, guys. So the process is super fast and easy. It takes just 1 minute to do it, and that's it. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel to help my channel grow. And as always, have a good one, and see you in the next one. Let's go!